Okay, just an update on Rex. What's happening with Rex? It's a little dirty in here, but it means I got a lot going on. So, got the donor engine out. That's out. It's going to get installed some point in time today, which is the plan. Thing is Wednesday, hump day. I need something entertaining to do. Here's an empty engine bay for those who are interested. Maybe I haven't seen anything like it. Let's go. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna update the. I'm gonna make this two different videos. I'm gonna put the motor mounts in here, possibly, but who knows? I just do everything I say I'm going to do, but then I don't really wind up doing it. Let me clean this link. That's a little better. Yeah, the link was a little dirty. So this is the plan here. I got a special guest coming in to be a test dummy, and this car is going to the junkyard, and I like deploying airbags. So this is going to be a thing today. So the plan, I'm going to build a platform for my special guest. So, you know, he is definitely being compensated for his time helping me out. But in the meantime, I'm gonna get things set up so I can get these airbags deployed. And first thing to do, I'm going to remove the airbag. There you go. So we got that out. I'm gonna get this out of there, pull those screws, get it out, get the wires exposed for the squib, the igniter, and I want to take a drop cord, put the female inside the wires, and I'll have the length of the drop cord to go as far as I need to go, as far as the drop cord will go to activate the airbag with a 9-volt battery. So yeah, this works. This is a battery for those who don't know. So the plan is to deploy this and laugh in amusement as a result of it, and do the same for the other side there. So I have two opportunities to get inside footage of what happens when the airbag goes off. So I can't screw this up. Make sure I got memory, make sure everything's recording, and we're going to get an interior angle and exterior angle, and we'll see what happens as far as slow-mo. But yeah, I'm gonna take this glove box out, and I should be able to access the airbag wires from underneath, expose those. There's no battery connected, so I don't have to worry about it just shooting off, and plus it needs current. So, you know, wires can touch, do whatever they want to do. Nothing's gonna happen. So let's get to it. I just ripped the damn thing out and all this glass came out. Somebody must have broken into this car before. Let's flip this up here. Change of plans. So I'm just gonna go through here, get cut as far as down as I can, and the wire's exposed. Two wires. Strip those out and let them hang. That's it. And we're going to do the same for this steering column. So figure out a course of action. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out. I probably could just go ahead and take the steering, the airbag out itself and just reinstall it. I think that'll be the simplest way. There's the harness sitting right there in front of my face. Yeah, I think it'd be best. Let me just take it out. I mean, the force is gonna go back that way and push out, so you know, we're good. So I got my wires exposed right here. The wires exposed down there, and took every bit of 7 minutes. So, my special guest here, I got Barack Obama. Yeah, we're gonna keep that hand up, see if we can stop that airbag. Oh gosh. All right, so we're gonna take the female in here. If I can find where the other end is. Here we go. And I'm going to get these, the connector here. I can't think. So I'm gonna get those linked up, and I probably might have to put some wire tape to hold it in place. Loop it around here, just like that. Oh yeah, that'll work out just fine. Right, here we go. Got the wires hooked up, so they're in there. What I'll do, go as far as I need to. I'm gonna put my jump box to this, and it'll ignite the airbags in there. So I do want to get a front view of everything. Stop the garage. The camera's gonna sit inside of it, inside the vehicle, so it'll be it'll have Barack Obama as its company. Let's get that set up. All right, I got everything set up, so I had to go get a 9-volt battery. You know, subscribe please, because I had to go get a 9-volt battery, and at the convenience store this costs $6. So yeah, this is, I spent $6 on you people that I don't even know. All right, so Barack, good luck, man. You know, see if you can resist Republican policy. Now this is nothing political. I just want to Barack, because Barack is the man, right? All right, let's get this angle here. So I'm gonna hit the record button on my tablet, and I'm gonna let my neighbors watch, but while he's gonna get his little brother. So basically, this is kind of gonna simulate what happens if you get into an accident without the people and the accident. So, but we're gonna look at the driver's side airbag deploy, and when I deploy this one, we're gonna take a look at the passenger side. And I might just kind of, I think what I want to do, I might put the water jug on top of the airbag to see what happens. But I think that's going to actually shatter the windshield. So I don't know. I'm keeping safety in mind first. So all right. So I'll plan it out. See what happens. Here we go. It's going to work. Are you ready? it goes. Did Obama get hit? It didn't hit him? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Did Obama get hit? It didn't hit him? Oh, I missed him. No, I missed him. Obama lives to see another day. You smell it? Whew, that stuff is strong. I should have brought him closer. That's fine. Barack Obama survived Republican policy. All right, I'm gonna put him on top here this time. So we'll see what happens with that.
You can do it again?
Yeah, I got another one.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Barack Obama? Yeah, this is my touchdown. So I gotta let him try it out, see what happens. All right, here we go.
Where I need to stand back?
Yeah, probably would. I don't know if this is gonna break the windshield or not.
All right, well, I'm right here. I got my glasses off.
Make sure this is
Are you
recording.
going to shoot it?
All right, you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Wow.
Yeah, I think Morocco's pride.
Golly.
That's amazing, man. And those
That
things
is
hit you in
crazy.
a wreck,
Yes.
they'll kill you.
Where
It
did
broke the window. I don't know where it went. Golly. Yeah, he didn't survive that one. Yeah, he's under there somewhere. It's hot though. Yeah, he's actually it just blew the top off of it. It just moved him down.
Wow.
That was crazy. I mean, at least the whole container didn't blow up, so I was kind of hoping that. But I had it wrong position, so it is what it is. You know, it ain't like I know exactly where airbags are gonna deploy. It's not like I get in wrecks on a daily basis. So, yeah, or deploy these things. Other than that, there was something wrong with the connection, because I know my 9-volt battery is supposed to be sufficient in power to be able to activate the igniter. And lo and behold, yeah, the wire inside of my wire tape came apart. Even though I went as far as just checking the resistance off the circuit going. I checked the power going through the male end to the female end. I have 9 volts or 12 volts from my jump box at the time, and I checked the resistance going to the actual unit, and I had like milliohms. So I'm like, questionable, but it's something. You know, normally a circuit's going to have like 200K or something like that. I can understand, but this shouldn't. It's not a circuit. It's not a resistor. It's not a switching circuit. So it should have like 3 ohms or something. So I checked the other one that had like 3 ohms, literally. So other than that, my work goes south. Things blow up after I install them. You want to share the credibility of my jobs. Subscribe. Stay informed. Till then, on to the next one.